Hi, friends! Today, we will spend our day at the zoo. Meet and learn names of animals that live there, as well as get to know a lot of interesting, fun facts about them. But before we get started, do you guys know what a zoo is? A zoo is a place where animals from all parts of the world live and are displayed for the public to see. It's a wonderful place for kids to visit and see animals they would never otherwise get the chance to see. Feel free to repeat these animal names with us to memorize them better. There are 264 known monkey species. This one is a baboon. Did you know some monkeys live on the ground while others live in trees? Also, most monkeys have tails. It's time to meet an alligator. Alligators have lived on Earth for millions of years. Alligators do not have the ability to control their temperature internally. So, if they are cold, they sunbathe. And when they feel hot, they go for a swim. It's time to meet domestic animals. We have a bunny, hen or chicken, duck, and turkey. Friends, can you point out which one is which? At this little pond, we have a majestic and beautiful bird called a swan. Swans are very smart birds. They have the option of sleeping on land while standing on one leg or while floating in the water. The swan has over 25,000 feathers on its body. They remember who treats them well or badly, so please be kind to them. Next is hippopotamus, sometimes called hippos. Hippos are considered the third largest land animal, after the white rhinoceros and elephant. During the day, they relax, play, and sometimes arrange fights in lakes, rivers, and swamps. Time to meet a lion. Lions are the second largest big cat species in the world, behind tigers. Lions are fast and can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, but only in short bursts. Lions have the smallest heart from all known predator animals. The roar of the lion can be heard from 5 miles away. The lion's mane helps the lion to defend himself during the fights. And did you know that in the wild, lions rest for around 20 hours a day? Ostrich is the largest bird in the world and the fastest bird on the planet. But they do not know how to fly. They can grow up to 9 feet tall and weigh over 350 pounds. An ostrich has the largest eye of any land mammal. Their eyes are 2 inches across. Ostrich eggs are the biggest among all bird eggs. And from one ostrich egg, you will get as many scrambled eggs as 25 chicken eggs. Friends, let's meet a giraffe, the tallest animal on the planet. The age of a giraffe can be determined by the color of the spots on the fur. The darker they are, the older the giraffe is. Also, the patterns on the skin are as unique as fingerprints in people. Mothers of young giraffes often organize a kindergarten. One adult mother is left to look after the calves, while others go gathering food. Giraffes don't need much sleep. On average, they sleep only 5 to 30 minutes a day. A giraffe can clean their ears with their tongue. And did you know, giraffes are the only animals that are not able to yawn? Elephant is the largest land-living mammal in the world. Elephants are some of the smartest animals on Earth. They are able to experience a sense of fun and grief. Elephants are great swimmers, but cannot jump, run, or gallop. They like music and can even use musical instruments, as well as draw. The elephant nose is called a trunk. The amazing trunk allows the elephant to breathe, eat, drink, and keep its body clean. Turtle is one of the most ancient animals on our planet. The body of the turtle is covered with a hard shell that protects them like a shield. In danger, the turtle can retreat its head, paws, and tail into the shell. Turtles are considered a symbol of slowness, which is not entirely true. On land, they move really slow, but once in water, they can reach greater speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. In addition, water turtles can make really deep dives. And now we are looking at a tiger. Tigers see 6 times better than humans and use it to their advantage as they like to hunt at night. Stripes on tigers are present not only on the fur, but also on the skin. So if the fur is shaved, the skin will still be striped. This, my friends, is a rhinoceros, sometimes called rhino. They have lived on Earth for 50 million years. Rhino is the second largest land animal after elephant. They have very well-developed hearing, but not great vision. Rhinos have thick skin, some even have fur, and horns can reach up to 5 feet in length. Flamingo often will stand and sleep on one leg, with the other tucked under its body. Flamingos can run on water because they have webbing between their toes, and so they take a short run on water to build up some speed before taking off into the air. Let's meet gorilla. Did you know that gorillas live in nests? They build a new nest every evening, on the ground or on the lower branches of trees. Gorillas are recognized as very intelligent animals. They are known for their ways of communication and gestures. Some gorillas in zoos even create their own sign language. Bighorn sheep are large mammals that are relatives of goats. Its fur is dark brown and they have long curled horns. Bighorn sheep are very timid, very mobile, and known for head-to-head combat between males. Time to meet a bear. Bears have many similarities with people. They have 5 fingers on their paws and can walk and run on 2 legs. Bears hibernate in the winter, which lasts from 75 to 195 days a year. Cheetah is the fastest land mammal in the world. and can run at speeds up to 75 miles an hour. A cheetah has between 2,000 and 3,000 spots and has excellent eyesight in the daytime but sees poorly at night. Surprisingly, cheetahs cannot climb trees. Deer. There are many different types of deer around the world. Tiny deer, a little bigger than cats, and giants like a moose. All are very beautiful in their own way. Deer antlers are shed and regrown every year. Deers can jump high and are good swimmers. Reindeer are the only deer which do not have antlers. Wolf is a clever, brave, and powerful predator. Wolves run fast and are good swimmers. Unlike dogs, wolves do not bark, but growl and howl. The wolf is bigger than an average dog, and their tail never spins into a ring. Wolf fur is warm, thick, and is gray or reddish-brown in color. Owl has very soft feathers and is very quiet in flight compared to other birds of prey. Owls can't move their eyes. They must turn their heads to see and can turn their heads almost fully around. Guys, did you like this zoo tour? I hope so. We learned a lot of interesting facts about these magnificent animals. And now, it's time to review their names. Repeat these animal names with us. Monkey, monkey. Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. Turkey, turkey. Ostrich, ostrich. Rhinoceros or rhino. Deer, deer. Bear, bear. Gorilla, gorilla. Giraffe, giraffe. Elephant, elephant. Bighorn sheep, bighorn sheep. Cheetah, cheetah. Wolf, wolf. Chicken, chicken. Owl, owl. Crocodile, crocodile. Swan, swan. Flamingo, flamingo. Duck. Duck. Turtle. Turtle. Hippopotamus or hippo. If you didn't memorize something, you can watch this video again. If you did not see your favorite animals, write us in the comments below with the animals you would like to see in our next video at the zoo.
Thank you for watching and subscribe.